everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today we're going to be stuffing cash envelopes and sinking funds this is going to be for like April the 8th through the 13th or 14th, so about a week. So I've gone to the bank, I've got my cash, of course I have all of my envelopes. So let's go ahead and count this so that you guys know how much I'm stuffing this week. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, and 5. So quite a bit for this week. I'm going to start with a birthday envelope for Sonny. He's my nephew. This is birthday money from Caroline and I. I've got a happy birthday on the back side, and we're going to give Sonny $25. My budget for birthdays is $25. So that is going to fully fund his envelope. I don't have my my Elmer's two-sided tape handy. It is not within arm's reach. So I'll go ahead and seal this up a little bit later. But I just made these envelopes, printed them out, cut them, sealed them up. I'm really loving having one envelope per person. I have quite a few envelopes that I've already fully funded, and I'm just going through them, you know, in order, and it's really working out well for me. So that is for Sonny. And actually today is, we do have a couple birthdays this weekend. My sister-in-law, who I absolutely adore, Susie Q, her birthday was yesterday, which was the 7th on Friday. And then her husband, my brother, his birthday is today, April the 8th. So happy birthday to Susie Q and Scotty. And then also today is my daughter-in-law, Julia's birthday. So happy birthday, Julia. I don't know if I'll get to see her, but I do have an envelope for her. I texted everybody this morning. But April, we have a lot of birthdays in my family. So happy birthday, everybody. So that is birthday envelopes. And then let's see here. Let's start with sinking funds. So fur babies, as of the last stuffing, had 144. And I'm going to add 20 to this one today. And this envelope I'm only using for vet visits, at least for now. That may change if something comes up. But that gives me 164, adding 20. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have 3 fur babies, and Carol Ann has 3 fur babies. And again, this is just for vet visits. Carol Ann, she pays for all of the vet expenses for her fur babies, and I pay for mine. And so this is just for 3 of the 6. We have a lot of fur babies in this house. Okay, next up is car maintenance. Have I gotten my oil changed? Nope, not yet. I'm still like a couple hundred miles away from needing it done, so I'm going to wait to the last minute. So I'm adding 20, so that should give me 105. And so that is inching up closer to the amount I need for an oil change. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 5. So that is going to have, hopefully by the time I need another oil change, I'm hoping to have another $100 in this envelope. At least that's my hope. All right, next up is car insurance. I pay my car insurance every 6 months. It was last paid at the end of February, beginning of March. So I am just adding $20 to this every week until the next premium is due, which I think is September. So I've got 120 in this envelope, and I'm going to be adding 20 today. So that will give me 140. And so let's grab 20 here. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, and 40. And I have a 2014 Kia Soul. I paid cash for this car a few years ago. I have full coverage on my car, and I do like paying it every 6 months. I I don't know if I get a discount from Geico for paying it every 6 months, but you know, the less, is that right? The less bills I have during the month, the better. So anything I can pay, you know, 6 months or a year at a time is really my preference. Okay, last sinking fund is baby. So my daughter-in-law and my son are expecting, and baby B is going to be due in November, and y'all, it's a girl. They're gonna have 3 girls. Oh my gosh, too funny. I was thinking it was gonna be a boy, but it's not. It's a little girl. And so I am just adding $20 a week to this envelope. I should have around $700 total by the time she has the baby in October. So this money is for throwing her a baby shower, so decorations, food, all that kind of good stuff, a shower gift that will be from Caroline and I, and then, you know, anything left over, you know, I can either give to them as a gift, you know, maybe stock them up with diapers, you know, when the baby's born. Who knows? There's a lot that can be done with this money, but so as of now, I should have $140. I think I grabbed the $20 bill. Did I? I don't know. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40. Yes, I did grab the 20. So I'm very excited about the new grandbaby and thrilled to have an envelope because, you know, I'm on a budget and I need to be prepared for these kinds of expenses. Like, I know it's coming and I don't want to be caught off guard and like just, you know, rushing at the last minute to try to throw things together. I don't like that. Okay, so 2 of my cash envelopes that I will not be stuffing this week is spending and lawn care. Cleaning ladies came on Thursday. My house is so clean right now. So nothing else is going in spending. And then lawn care, my guy did come. He mowed and weeded it and, you know, got all the branches that were fallen off of the property. So lawn care has been cleared out. And then what I have left is for gas and groceries. So gas for my little 2014 Kia Soul. I still have 20 in here from last week, and I'm going to add 20. So this is going to fill my car up one time, $40. And really, I think it was more like maybe 30 or 35 to fill up, something like that. So this is more than enough for me to get around to the places that I need to go to. I work from home and I really only leave the house maybe once or twice a week. I'm a homebody. Okay, last is groceries. Now, I had $5 from this last week and I didn't spend it. I went to my mom and dad's because we were expecting some really bad storms again here in central Arkansas. And my mom had some groceries delivered and she asked me if I needed anything. I told her I needed coffee creamer, so she bought it for me. So I still have my $5 left. Whoop, whoop. All right, so what am I adding to groceries this week? 20, 40, 60, and $80. Now, I only had $5 from last week because, and I only have 80 this week, because I ended up ordering food for my dog Chewy from Chewy.com. He's on a science diet, and that was like $140, which is really expensive. And even though this envelope says groceries, it is really anything that you could buy at Walmart. So that includes pet food, flea and tick stuff, food, household, laundry stuff. Any of that stuff is really, this is kind of a catch-all for everything. So that is it for this week. Now, I did get some Etsy income. I have an Etsy shop, if you guys didn't know. I sell cash envelopes in this size here. So this is like, I think 3.5 by 7. These I cut a little bit smaller to fit into my wallet that my dad got me. He got me a Coach wallet a few months back. So these are a little bit smaller, but I do sell the larger ones in my Etsy shop. If you're interested, I always have it linked down below. So with that said, I did have 2 Etsy sales, which is really exciting. So if you are one of the 2 people that ordered from me last week, thank you so much. I actually do have Etsy income that I need to get out of the bank and will be a part of house savings. And that is right at like $15 and some change, which is awesome. Like every little bit helps. So thank you to those of you who have supported me in that way. I really appreciate it. You know, I work really hard on these envelopes, and I think that the quality is great. So far, my shop has 5-star reviews, and I don't have, you know, I haven't had anybody complain about quality, but I am one of those people that, like, I laminate these multiple times, right? So I'm folding the paper, I laminate it once, I'm trimming it, I'm rounding the corners. Nobody's going to get stuck, you know, by me. And then I laminate it again this way, this way, this way, and this way. So these get laminated like 4 times to make sure that, I don't know if you could tell, but that seal is like really, really close to the paper. And this is 5 milliliters? No, millimeters thick. What is it? Lamination sheet. So these are really sturdy. You have used the same ones for quite a long time, and they're showing absolutely no signs of wear. So if you're interested, I do sell them, you know, on Etsy, and I'll have that link down below. I also sell sets of like 100 envelopes and minis, as well as the full-size envelopes. You know, every little bit helps, and I'm on a journey to becoming a homeowner again, and I am using what I earn from YouTube and Etsy to help me reach that goal. So thank you to those of you who are watching my videos and ordering from me. I really appreciate it. So that is everything for this week. This is cash envelopes and sinking funds for the week of April the 8th. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at.